everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now guess what? Underarm hair, do you struggle with that? I sometimes just cannot tolerate how fast mine tend to grow back. So what I did a little research and I came up with an amazing DIY that can help to remove it and also prevent it from growing back fast. So take a look at yours right now. If you see it like spewing out and you're looking for a fast, easy DIY, then guess what? This recipe is for you, so continue watching. So my first ingredient is baking soda, and the way baking soda work and getting rid of hair is by softening the cuticles. It also helps to inhibit the hair growth. Baking soda also helps to exfoliate, and when you mix it with the other ingredients that I'm going to be using, it keeps the hair from growing back fast, and with continuous use it slows down the growth process tremendously. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of the baking soda, adding this to the bowl, and the first thing I'm going to do is to make sure to get rid of any lumps that might be in the baking soda. Once this is done, I'm going to reach for my next ingredient, and my next ingredient is going to be the main ingredient, which is turmeric powder. Turmeric also helps to inhibit the hair growth, and when mixed with the baking soda, it creates a very strong remedy for removing the hair. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of the turmeric powder, and I'm going to mix this with the baking soda. Turmeric also helps to lighten and brighten the skin. If you have like dark underarms, this is going to do double duty because it's also going to help to lighten and brighten the dark underarms while removing the hair. So mixing the baking soda and the turmeric powder together. Totally dissolving all the lumps that you might get from the baking soda. Now once this is done, I'm going to reach for some coconut oil, and coconut oil is one of the better oil to use for hair removal. It's a humectant that helps the skin to look hydrated, and is also great when mixed with the turmeric and the baking soda for hair removal. 1 teaspoon of the coconut oil. If you do not have coconut oil, you can choose to use any other oil that you might find in your kitchen. So now we're going to mix the 3 ingredients together, and we are going to mix well. At the beginning, it's going to seem a little dry. Not to worry. Just go ahead and continue to work it in until it gets a bit more creamy. Next, I'm going to reach for some lemon, and today I'm going to use a full lemon. I'm going to use some of the lemon peel, and I'm also going to use some of the lemon juice. So the first thing I want to do is to zest the lemon. Lemon contains citric acid. Citric acid mixed with the baking soda and the turmeric powder help to inhibit the hair growth. When you use it on the hair, it have to soften the hair for easier hair removal. So go ahead and use the lemon. No lemon and you have lime, go ahead and use the lime instead. So now let me just zest the lemon, and zesting the lemon is just taking off the outer peel of the lemon. If you do not have a grater to zest the lemon, you can also go ahead and peel the lemon. However, once you do this, you will need to blend. So choose whether you're going to zest or you are going to just peel it and blend it. So now that we're done, here I have about a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon zest. If you're using lime, go ahead and use the same amount, run about a 1/2 teaspoon. And now we're going to add this to the turmeric powder, baking soda, and also the coconut oil, and now the lemon zest. So now we have 4 ingredients in this, and we are just going to mix, and we are going to mix well, totally blending all the ingredients together. This is a great remedy for not only hair removal, but it is also good for hyperpigmentation on the skin. If you have large open pores, this is also great. So you can choose to use this to exfoliate the face, or you can use it to remove facial hair. Now, if you have facial hair, definitely a must for this recipe. Now let me reach back for the lemon.
And I'm going to just take a bit of the lemon juice, about a half a teaspoon or so of the lemon juice. You need to add this at the end because it's going to cause a form of a reaction, as you're going to see when I pour it in. So definitely put the lemon juice in the end. And if you feel like not using the lemon juice, you can also leave it out. However, it is really good to add a little bit of it in this recipe for faster hair removal. So now I'm going to mix, and I'm going to mix well, getting out of all the lump. This is a hair removal that can also use as a facial exfoliator to lighten, brighten, and remove facial hair. We're using this today for underarm hair. So 4 amazing ingredients that you can use topically on your skin to get rid of underarm hair or facial hair. Now here is a live demonstration, guys. Now take a look. As you can clearly see the amount of hair under there, and now I'm going to use a brush. You can also choose to use your hands as an application. I like to use a brush to apply it, so I take a generous amount on my brush and I totally wipe it under the armpit. Totally wipe it on, and once that is done, you let it sit under the armpit for a few minutes, at least 30 minutes if you can. And after that, you're gonna go back in with a wet rag and you're just gonna wipe it clean. Just wipe it clean. It definitely need to be under the arm a bit to soften the hair, and yes, it will grow back, but with continuous use you will notice that the hair take much longer to grow back, till eventually you could do it, just once every 3 months or so. Now as for the leftovers, go ahead and toss it. We do not suggest that you store this, so toss it, and whenever you're ready to do another batch, go ahead and just do so. So here we have it, guys, using 4 simple ingredients to remove hair from your face, your body, and most of all, your underarm. Thank you for watching. You like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave your comments.
Watching. And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. You like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to share, and also guys, don't forget to visit our website alexmaxi.com right here, where you can find all the Chichi Beauty skincare products. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.